Welcome back to another banger. You can see by the title, my nigga reGGie and Hurricane Wisdom got off stream, got in the booth and made this shit, gang. Got off stream, got in the booth and made this bitch. Let's see what these niggas talking about. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. Let's get into this bitch.
They done turned the crib into a hot box for real.
Shit crazy.
Nigga, pass the blunt.
My fault.
I'm thinking, what the fuck is we about to do? What you want to do about that shit then, nigga?
You need to take them fat ass grills out of his mouth.
Nah, fuck that. I'm trying
Why
to
you coming fast?
now. On stream. Right now. Everybody.
On stream?
Everybody.
Bro, like a buddy ass in the back look like a fucking goofy holding them little fake ass guns.
Let's do it
Fuck
on stream.
it. Let's
Fuck
do
it.
this
Let's do
shit.
it on stream. Fuck it. Let's do it. Fuck it. Let's do it.
No, they did this before Duke Dennis came and destroyed that bitch. Cause that house do not look like this. Duke blew that shit down. No, they made this before.
You know? Okay.
Real life, real smack. I do this shit on stream.
My faults come with the beam. My hoes come with a dream. I'm with reGGie, don't smoke reGGie. I get high than steam. What it costs, you know what I mean? For that money, I'm a fiend. For that money, I'm a fiend.
Probably nah, that was they crib for sure. That was they crib for sure. That one Wisdom crib, that was they crib for sure.
A goblin for the green. I got bitches on my dick. I told that bitch to join the stream. Toss the pack, yeah, that's the touchdown.
See, look at Rakai fucked up ass room.
That bitch to join the team. Me and bro, we chasing racks. I told her, bro, let's chase the dreams. Hella W's in the chat. You know my chat gon' turn me up. GG, they be in the back, and we got racked up in the front.
Damn. Nigga pulled out a fat ass Uzi. reGGie, fuck is some fat ass. What is this?
And my bro be smoking hella weed, he told me roll it up. Okay, they say this road here hella mean, that's why I beat it up. Know that I'm from Florida, every song I speed it up. Okay, no, you on our ground.
Damn.
Say it's not enough. Okay, left wrist lighting up. My right one bright as fuck. You know I turn some shit to gold, I got the Midas touch. I'm from
Bro. Whoa, what'd he say?
We on our ground, what can you say? It's not enough, okay? Left wrist lighting up. My right one bright as fuck. You know I turn some shit to gold, I got the Midas touch.
I turned some shit to go. I got the Midas touch. That's a tough ass bar.
I'm from Baltimore. You play them, they gon' heat you up. Call my favorite.
Baltimore is most wanted. Did you look up Baltimore's most wanted? I'm finna see. That shit cap.
I'm from Baltimore.
That shit's cap. That shit's cap. That shit cap, reGGie. Come on, gang. Yo, at line.
You play them, they gon' heat you up. Call my favorite eater, she gon' come and eat me up.
Bad shit.
Hella trees. I swear to God, this bitch is stunk. She gon' call my phone, and after that, I'm hanging up.
Hey, gang. Hey, gang. Hey, gang. That bigger than smooth 8 out of 10, bro. The fact that these niggas made this on stream is tough as fuck, gang. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like. Well, I hope these niggas see this bitch. reGGie, I hope your thick ass, glasses ass, little small ass, dirty ass, fucked up ass, grill ass, big teeth ass, fucked up hairline ass, big head ass, see this bitch, gang. Love y'all niggas. Catch y'all in the next one.